Okay students, welcome back to my channel. This is Serge and today we will discuss exercise 1.3 intro. So let's begin. And before we start the exercise 1.3 intro, let me introduce you a few symbols. This symbol is used for subset and this is used for this extended C type, putting across, not subset. And the next one is this E, but this is not actually E, this is belongs to. Next one is this, putting a line over belongs to. It means does not belongs to. And the next and the last one is this inverse A, but this is actually not inverse A, this is there. Okay, student, pause the video to note it down. And now let's move to our first topic, which is subset. Students, let's begin with subsets. So basically, what is the meaning of subsets? A set which is part of other set is known as subset. And its definition according to NCERT is a set A is said to be a set B is said to be a subset of set B. Set of set B if every element of A and of A if every element of A is also an element of B. An element of B. Okay. Let's take its example. Consider you are a student of your school. Let this set B is equal to A. You are student of your school. And consider other set B, which states that you are student of class 11. Now what does it mean? Is B a subset of A? Yes, because if you are student of class 11, then you are studying in your school. Okay, then this is subset. We can write it as B is subset of A. Okay, now moving to the further topic, we have students. Note that if A is subset of B, then only if A belongs to A implies that A belongs to B. Now what does this line mean? I am highlighting it with the hashtag. This statement means that if A is subset of B, then A belongs to A and A also belongs to B. Okay, remember this point. This is very important from the exam point of view. Okay, now moving to the next topic, which is subsets of set of real numbers. Okay, before that, pause the video to note it down. Students, now let's talk about subsets of set of real number. Of real number. This is what I have already told you. Let's take a few sets. Set of natural number. Number is equal n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and till infinity. Set of integers number is equal to z is equal to minus infinity to 0 to plus infinity. Okay, now let's take set of natural rational number. Set of rational number q is equal to, I am writing this in set builder form because it is not possible to write rational numbers in roster form. P by q, pq belongs to z. Okay, now I'm taking set of real number. Now what comes under the category of real number? All these sets come under the category of set of real number. Okay, we can directly write it as, I'm writing it as n z q. Okay, n z q. Now tell me, can we write n as subset of r? Yes. Z as subset of r? Yes. Q as subset of r? Yes. Remember these 3 points. These are very important from the exam point of view. Okay, now let's move to our further topic, which is interval as subsets of r. Okay, before that, pause the video to note it down. Students, let's talk about interval as subset of r. As of r. Okay, let's begin. Students, let's take a few numbers, like let this be a set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and till 14. Okay, how will you represent this in the form of bracket? There are two types to represent a subset in two form, which is closed interval and open interval. Which means that closed interval for first is included and 14th is also included. In open interval, first is not included and 14th is as well as not included. Okay, let me represent this in the form of closed interval. 1, 14. Okay, and in open interval we will represent it as 0, 15 with these brackets, curly brackets. Okay, what if I need to represent 1 and not 14? How will I represent it as? I will write it as 1, 14. It means that 1 is included and 14 is not included. Okay, in this bracket, first 1 is also included and 14 is also included as well, and in this bracket neither of two are included. Okay, now moving to the further topic, which is power set. Before that, pause the video to note it down. Students, let's talk about power set. There is nothing conceptual in this concept, in this topic. What you have to learn is just the definition, and the definition according to NCERT is the collection of all subset of a set is called power set of A. The collection of all set, the collection of all subsets of a set is power set. Okay, what does this mean? Let me give you an example of this power set. Okay, consider a set which is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, write down its all the subsets, and its subsets will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5 and 1, 2, 3. How many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, students, do you know how can we count the number of subsets of a set? What you need is just 2 to the power mn. Okay, to the power n. N means the total number of elements in this, which is 2 to the power 3. It gives 8. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And students, one thing more, 5 is always included in a set or a subset. Okay, there is nothing great about this topic. Let's move to our last topic, which is universal set. Before that, pause the video to note it down. Students, let's talk about universal set. So what does universe mean? Universe means the collection of all the things in our surroundings. For example, trees, plants, almiras, phones, smartphone, etc. Now let's come to the topic. Universal set means the collection of all the sets, collection of all the sets is known as universal set. Okay, that's it. Now let's talk about example. Students, let's talk about example 9. Consider the sets 5, A is equal to 1, 3, B is equal to 159, B is equal to 159, and C is equal to 13579. Now first part is, does 5 belongs to B? No. Does 5 is a subset of B? Yes, 5 is subset of all the sets. Okay, that's why we will put subset. And move to the second part. We have A dash B. No, this is not a subset because in this 3 is not included in this B set. Okay, now moving next up, we have A dash C. Now C 1 3 5 7 9. Yes, now it is subset of C because all the elements of A is included in C. Next one and the last one, we have B dash C. Yes, this one is also a subset of C because 159 is included in the C set 159. Okay, 10th and 11th example I leave for you guys. Try it out, and if you have any problem, tell me in the comments. I will reach you there. Thank you for watching the video, and please like and subscribe my channel.